101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia, business and inspiration. Hi, good evening, smart listener. Welcome back to our English learning program, Smart Up Your Life. With me, Rifa Majid as your host, and also with my several friends from BPEC Makassar. Hi, guys.
Hi.
So happy to see you again tonight, yeah? So, smart listener, this is our English learning program in collaboration with BPEC Makassar, which you can join our conversation to improve your English skill with us and grab your confidence in speaking English with us in Smart Up Your Life. Well, before I'm going to tell you the topic of our conversation tonight. Let me introduce my friends from BPEC Makassar one by one because there is a newcomer. I think yes. So let's get know each other. The first one is we have Mr. Who?
Terus. Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My full name is Abdullah Minta Pamukas. You can call me Wahid. I come from Sungguminasa, so I study in English Education Department in Unismu Makassar. Okay.
Well, we have Mr. Wahid, and then the beautiful one.
Okay, hi everyone. So my name is Firdayanti Amalia. I'm from Muhammadiyah University and my major is English department.
Okay, so we can call you Firda.
Yeah.
Okay, well, beside Firda, we have the second beauty girl, pretty girl.
Okay, so my name is Yun Sadali. You can call me Yuyun. I'm studying Germany at University of Makassar.
Okay, well, beside the Germany, we have Mr. Who is your name?
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Nabil Dafa. You can call me Dafa. I'm still 17 years old. I'm from Golden Gate School.
Okay, well, we have Dafa.
Yeah.
And the last one is
Hey everyone, my name is Ichal. Just call me Ichal. I'm still a college student at State University of Makassar in sociology education majors. Thank you very much.
okay. Well, me too. I am a student, a student of Life University. Yeah. So happy. So I think it's great to see you again and having a conversation with you guys. But before I am asking about your resolutions for the next year and what's are you going to do in the next year, let smart listener know about BPEC Makassar. So who wants to introduce BPEC Makassar, guys?
Oh, okay.
Okay, well, Dafa.
So, hello everyone. BPC, it's already since 7 April 1986. And also BPC held a meeting every Sunday meeting, call it weekly Sunday meeting. You guys can come to the multimedia library in front of the University of Unismu University. Sorry.
Okay.
And in weekly meeting we have 6 items. First is who am I. So in who am I, you introduce yourself in front of the participant. Second is ice breaking. In ice breaking we have fun to each other. Third is discussion. DND, discussion and debating. So in discussion and debating we have a random topic and then we discuss. After we discuss, we debate to in front of the participant. The fourth is building skill. So in building skill, there is a teacher that teach the participant like grammar, also like basic of TOEFL and other more. And the fifth is entertainment. In entertainment, so there is one person will be picked randomly, and then we present their skill in front of us. And the last item is announcement. So if everyone have announcement, they will invite us to their party. Yeah, I think that's all.
Okay, well, so that's all. There are 6 items.
Yeah, 6 items.
Yes, in the weekly meeting of BPSC Makassar that you can join Smart Listener to improve your English skill and to find a new relation,
Yeah.
a new connection, a new friends in BPSC Makassar. Well, guys, learning English it can be one of the someone's resolution. Mastering English, I say, can be someone's resolution in next year. So, for you guys, what are your resolution in the next year? What will you do in the early of 2020? 2022? Yes. 20 and 22. Yes. 2022.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh my God, I'm
Double
confused.
2. 3 2.
Okay, too much too.
Too much to do.
Yes. So, beginning from you, Ichal.
Yes. Oh, I think we are all handsome. Yeah. Yeah. What my resolution for next year's? I don't really have like a big resolution. Maybe I just want to, graduated from college, of course, because
Oh,
I'm
yes.
really in my last semester here, and also get a full-time job. Maybe go to traveling, maybe.
Wow.
Wow.
Traveling.
Yes. Maybe just a few island in Indonesia, maybe. But yeah, but I don't really have that much of resolution for next year.
Okay. Now, Dava?
For me, in early 2022, I will do of course, study English, because I study English. I want to go to study abroad. Also, I prepare it for my skill, like how to be confident, speak in front of the people. And also I will do like holiday,
Yes.
free holiday.
A free holiday.
I know.
You have
Yeah,
you have to get the sponsor to have a free holiday.
Yeah, in early 2022, I will do offline school, not online anymore.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So I hope so. Yuyun? What about Yuyun?
So same actually with Ichal, not have a big resolution, but I think that I want to finish my college. I want to have fun.
You have to finish your obligation in college. Yes.
Yeah, and really good in English also. Like I want to improve my English and my German language skill, and then I want to be better in the future. I think I want to be. I don't want to compare myself anymore with people, and I want to be confident enough to be able to throw my life and be able to be better person.
Okay. Well, that's good. So, Firda?
Okay, actually, I think everyone want to be a better person in next year. Yeah.
Yes.
So maybe for me, I want to join more organization. I want to be a part of Kampus Mengajar, cause I want to join in Kampus Mengajar, and then I want to go. Maybe I want to go holiday, cause I really so depressed with my assignment. I have a lot of assignment.
Okay.
Yeah.
Holiday.
Yeah.
Every person mentioned holiday,
Yeah.
traveling, and so what about you, Wahid?
Okay, in my opinion, my resolution 2020 2020
22?
22 oh so awkward too. My goal is I want to improve my skill, especially in English, like speaking or grammar on many parts of English. And then I want to how to say, for end my my study, and then I wish this pandemic is will be end.
Soon, as soon as possible.
So,
So you can going abroad, maybe you can explore the world. You can exploring every places in this world.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Well, that's all the resolution. And yes, some of you guys mentioned holiday traveling, and yes, that's one of my resolution too. Can go abroad, can go out from this country for a while, exploring every places in this world, so we can explore the world without worry about pandemic anymore. Yeah, in the next year. Well, I think it is interesting if we talking about how we can explore the world with our own way, yeah, in the next year. So our topic going to talk about that.